Friends, today we see how to set up Cucumber with Eclipse Selenium for BDD. So first of all, I can open my Eclipse and install a new software, and let me install Cucumber Eclipse plugin. So it is required so that Eclipse can understand Gherkin language, Gherkin syntax. So it is already installed in my system, so it is ignored. So you can install it. Okay, so after that, create new project, Java project. Give it a name. Next, finish. So in newly created project, we need to import Selenium jar as well as Java as well as Cucumber jar. Okay, so I've downloaded my Selenium jar files here. And these are the files, and these are my Cucumber jar file. I can give you the link in the description from where to download these Cucumber jar files. Okay, so I have imported all the files, Selenium as well as Cucumber file. Here you can see. So let me create a new package. Let me name it. In this package, we create a new class. So here in Cucumber, in login1 class, I've already created a Gmail login script. So what I do, so here I have already created a Gmail login script. So I can directly paste it. Okay. So this script can actually log in the Gmail. So you can see that script login. So my next step is to create a feature file. First of all, create a new folder. Let's name it feature. Now create a new file, name it login1, and make sure you can give extension .feature. Okay, so here you can see this is a Gherkin file. So in this file we have to write a Gherkin test case. So let's delete this. I've already written my scenario, so I'm just copy pasting it. Okay, so here I can write this Gherkin scenario. So we have a feature is login action scenario, successful login with valid credential, and steps in given, when, and then. So let's create a test runner file, class file. Okay, so in test runner class file, let's put this code. I've already written it. So what this code means? This code, so this feature denoted to this feature file, and this glue code is denoted to step definition. So step definition we will create. So first of all, let's run this code. Okay, so when we run this code, you can see in the console there's a method created by Cucumber, and they are expecting a code which is step definition. So on this, next step is to write step definition for our feature file. So let's create a new package. A new class. So let's copy paste this code in test step class. Okay, don't worry about so many errors, because you have to write code for each step here, and Gherkin automatically generated this method. Cucumber generated this method. Okay, so you have to write code in each class. I've already written the code. So I've already written this code. So here you can see that this method. Okay, so for this method we write a code, login to Gmail. Alright, and then user login. This method we write a code. Inside this method we write a new code, and so on. So the main benefit of Cucumber is that it generated the method, and by using those methods inside, we write a code and which is very easily readable to any of the user. Okay, so our test step is ready. So we are ready with test step code. So this is the code, and now we can run this step with this Gherkin cucumber scenario. So let me run this. So I'm running this cucumber feature file. First step. So let user navigate to this step. Okay. So here is Gmail is login. So here's a scenario. Scenario 1 pass, 4 steps are there, passed, and this is the time taken. So here we run our test using Cucumber.